We all want to increase our income and improve our financial situation, but we often think that the only way to do this is by working harder and putting in more hours. However, this isn't always the case. In this video, we'll explore different strategies you can use to increase your income without necessarily increasing the amount of time you spend working. Number 1. Invest in yourself. One of the most effective ways to make more money is to invest in yourself and your skills. This could involve taking courses or getting a certification in a field that pays well, or developing a new skill that you can monetize. For example, if you're a writer, you could invest in a course on copywriting or content marketing. These skills can help you command higher rates and attract more high-paying clients. Number 2. Create multiple streams of income. Another way to make more money without working more is to create multiple streams of income. This means finding ways to make money from a variety of sources, rather than relying on just one. For example, you could start a side hustle or sell products or services on the side in addition to your full-time job. This can help you diversify your income and reduce your reliance on any one source. Number 3. Negotiate your salary. If you're currently employed and looking to increase your income, don't be afraid to negotiate your salary. Many people are uncomfortable with the idea of negotiating, but it's a perfectly normal and expected part of the job search process. Research the going rate for your position and industry, and be prepared to make a case for why you deserve a higher salary. You might be surprised at how much you can increase your income just by asking for it. Number 4. Automate your finances. Managing your finances can be time-consuming, but it's an essential part of maximizing your income. One way to make this process easier is to automate as much as possible. For example, you can set up automatic payments for your bills and savings, and use budgeting software to track your spending. This can help you stay on top of your finances without having to spend a lot of time on it. Number 5. Outsource tasks. If you're running your own business or side hustle, one way to free up more time is to outsource tasks that you don't have the skills or expertise to handle. This could include things like bookkeeping, social media management, or website design. While outsourcing can be costly, it can also save you time and help you focus on the tasks that are most important to your business. Number 6. Focus on high-value tasks. Another way to make more money without working more is to focus on high-value tasks. This means identifying the tasks that have the greatest impact on your income and prioritizing those over lower-value tasks. For example, if you're a freelancer, you might want to focus on finding and working with high-paying clients rather than spending a lot of time on lower-paying projects. By focusing on high-value tasks, you can maximize your income in the time you have available. Number 7. Build a personal brand. Having a strong personal brand can also help you increase your income. A personal brand is the reputation and image you have in the minds of others, and it can be a powerful tool for attracting clients and opportunities. By building a personal brand that is known for high-quality work and expertise in your field, you can command higher rates and attract more lucrative opportunities. Number 8. Take advantage of tax deductions. One way to make more money without working more is to take advantage of tax deductions. There are many tax deductions available for business owners and self-employed individuals, and by claiming these deductions, you can reduce your taxable income and keep more of your hard-earned money. It's important to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're taking advantage of all the deductions available to you. Number 9. Increase your prices. If you're running a business or providing a service, one way to increase your income is to simply increase your prices. This might seem like an obvious solution, but many people are afraid to do it because they fear losing customers. However, if you're providing high-quality work and value to your clients, there's no reason you shouldn't be able to charge more. By increasing your prices, you can increase your income without necessarily increasing the amount of time you spend working. Number 10. Use leverage. Finally, another way to make more money without working more is to use leverage. This means finding ways to amplify your efforts and achieve more with less. For example, if you're a freelancer, you might use automation tools to streamline your workflow or use social media to reach a wider audience. By using leverage, you can increase your income without necessarily increasing the amount of time you spend working. Number 11. Rent out your property. If you own a property that you're not using all the time, such as a vacation home or a spare room, you can make more money by renting it out. There are several platforms and services available that make it easy to list and manage your rental property, such as Airbnb or VRBO. This can be a great way to make some extra money without having to put in much time or effort. Number 12. Use your hobbies and passions to make money. If you have a hobby or passion that you enjoy, you might be able to turn it into a side hustle or a full-time business. For example, if you love to cook, you could start a catering business or sell homemade meals online. If you're a talented artist, you could sell your artwork or offer art classes. By turning your hobbies and passions into a business, you can make more money doing something you enjoy. Number 13. Rent out your skills. Another way to make more money without working more is to rent out your skills. This could involve offering consulting services, teaching workshops or courses, or providing freelance services in your area of expertise. By renting out your skills, you can make more money on your own terms and schedule. Number 14. Take on higher-paying projects. If you're a freelancer or a business owner, you can make more money by taking on higher-paying projects. This might require you to specialize in a particular area or market, or to invest in additional training or education to increase your expertise. By taking on higher-paying projects, you can increase your income without necessarily increasing the amount of time you spend working. Number 15. Be strategic with your time. Finally, one of the most effective ways to make more money without working more is to be strategic with your time. This means finding ways to be more productive and efficient in your work, and focusing on the tasks that will have the greatest impact on your income. By being strategic with your time, you can make the most of the hours you have available and maximize your income. Thank you for watching our video on how to make more money by working less. We hope these strategies have been helpful and that you're able to use them to increase your income and improve your financial situation. Remember, there are many ways to make more money without necessarily working more. By investing in yourself, creating multiple streams of income, negotiating your salary, automating your finances, outsourcing tasks, focusing on high-value tasks, building a personal brand, taking advantage of tax deductions, increasing your prices, using leverage, renting out your property, using your hobbies and passions to make money, renting out your skills, taking on higher-paying projects, and being strategic with your time, you can increase your income and improve your financial situation without increasing the amount of time you spend working. Thanks again for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your efforts to make more money.